Alright, so what I'm doing here is this is going to be the wooden base plate, base in the tray. So we're gonna use this pallet to make wooden base. Alright. Part number 1. Part number 2. Yeah, we're gonna need more pieces. I want to keep it a consistent color. I want to keep it a consistent color. And this is not the same color as this, but I also want a consistent length. So I could cut a piece from this point here, or I could cut a piece from, or I could cut this and make the color inconsistent. I really don't like either option. So, hold on. There's this piece here. Yeah, this piece here. Okay, so with the material on this, just give me a second. I need to go grab my measuring tape. What? Okay, yes. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Woo! Alright, so I did the glue up, so I planed them down, they're all perfectly flat, but I noticed one of them is not perfectly flat. So I have these, so I'm going to use these, I'm going to clamp them together using this, and that should hopefully make the whole project perfectly flat. Alright, let's begin glue up. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I need to make a bit of adjustment here. Make them parallel to each other. Yeah, perfect. And apparently, this one has a bit of a lip. So that's it. I need to even that out a bit more. Alright, the glue has dried and we're now going to sand it down. It's pretty much just more of the same. Alright, I'll show you when it's done. Alright, we are now going to stain it. Go. Alright, I got the stain on this, and now we're going to spread it out. Well, it's not a stain, it's a finish, really. Wow, looks nice. Yeah, I did not get enough on the cloth. Let's get a little more. And there you go. A beautifully stained, beautifully finished piece of wood. It's not stained. I keep on getting stained and finish confused sometimes. There we go. It really brings out the contrast. Very nicely done. I really like how this turned out. So hopefully, just again, real quick, I'm gonna turn on the light. See if that changed anything. Yeah, it looks just, yeah. Just gonna spread it out. I'm now going to grab another paper towel. As you can see, I'm running low on them to wipe off any excess. You have to be very careful of this for two reasons. Reason number one, it could, if you don't wipe off the excess, it could leave a nasty look. Number two, this stain can produce fume. This can produce some fumes, and I want as little of a chance of somebody breathing in fumes as possible. I mean, obviously, right, we got all the excess now, and all the excess is off. We just leave and wait for it to dry. Beautiful. This side is unfinished, this side is finished. It is beautiful. I really like it. It really shows you that staining doesn't take that long. You gotta be careful about it, but small projects like this, you don't have to spend hours prepping and preparing for this to stain it. You stain it and you're done. It's gonna this is gonna leave a really nice. This is gonna add to the style we're going for. I was actually considering using this stain here, which changed the color of the wood to a dark one, but I don't want that. That's not what I want. So anyways, this is it done. All right. Next we're going to paint the pan. Alright, I'm now going to paint this. Let's get the paint on the brush. Some would cooperate. This paint's a little dry. Okay, the other side is wet. Let's paint the side. This side. Okay, let's get the brush get a little more paint on the brush. Now this stuff apparently does not like steel. I don't know what kind of metal this is, I'm guessing it's steel. Whatever kind of metal it is, paint apparently doesn't seem to like it. At least that side, because I'm applying some paint to this side and it's just going on beautifully. That's pretty much the process. Alright, I finished building it. I screwed the plank in. It's nice and painted. Our farmhouse style napkin tray is done. And then I'll do some beauty shots.